Okay folks, it's April 18th, 2012 here on Weinheimer Farms, 30 miles east of Amarillo, sitting pretty at Lark, Texas. T-Bar C custom silage and windrowing crew chopping some wheat silage for Deere over at Pampa, Texas. What we have running here is a John Deere 7750 silage harvester. He just got done loading trucks number 1, and he's loading truck number 2. 3 and 4 are behind him. And if I could swing around over here to the other side of the farm, over here waiting in the distance back at the barn are 3 more trucks to be loaded and the second silage harvester. I move back over here to the main event. Terrell Tuchek and his John Deere silage harvester and crew. Looks like he's making pretty good hay on the turn row. Looking to make a lot more as we get inside here to some of these giant windrows that have been laid down. You'll have to excuse me, but that's a big silage harvester. That's a John Deere 7950. The second machine is a 7750.